What's up, guys? My name is Will Brinson, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I have a very short video for you guys because, as all of you may have known, school is coming and it's online, so you'll be using your computer or whatever device you're using. And for me, I'm using a desktop. Some of you may use a laptop, and I know I'm late. I made this right before our school starts, but um I just gotta make this video because school is coming up. Plus, this video is gonna be delayed since the school probably gonna be delayed for a few days, like probably 2 to 5. But in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to get a better microphone. As you can see here in the microphone, here you can see your microphone of how much it can hear. Medium is basically just regular. So um, yeah, because if you're having an online class, you might want to consider having a good mic, all the background noises. And if you can hear me, you can hear me very well because I'm using OBS, and it has like noise reduction, noise suppression, all of those good stuff. And even when the trial class a while ago, I had good audio. I heard the playback, and I did a free test call so I could hear myself, what I would sound like in a call, and it was all good, not too much, and the aircon was on. It's a lot of noises, and right now, if you can hear, it's kind of silent, but the windows is up open, and you guys can probably hear everything that's outside, and it's pretty noisy, plus all the air and the crickets. And yeah, having noise reduction or not that much noise in your background is pretty good, and we're going to remove that. And it's very simple. So what you want to go is go to your start, click the Windows button or this thing right here. What you want to do is search sound. I'm not actually typing. Why can I not type? What you want to do is search sound. Now what you want to go to is change system sounds, as you can see right there. And now you can see this. I do hope you can see it. I don't really record in PC or desktop. And if we go to recording, and you can see what mic you are using. As you can see, as I'm talking right here, the bar for the microphone is raising, and just don't mind the microphone mic. It's pretty bad. It hears everything like it's a phone with a larger um yeah, larger mic. And the microphone, basically, we're gonna right click and go to properties and go to microphone enhancement. I'm not sure if every desktop or laptop has this, but for mine or my mom's, it has one. So what you want to do is check all those, and as you can see, we have adaptive noise reduction, acoustic echo cancellation, and beamforming. I don't know what beamforming means, but echo cancellation, that just removes the echo, and noise reduction removes all unnecessary background noises. And then after you've done everything, click OK, turn all of them on. And as you can see right here, our microphone, if we actually go back there to sound, and we go to recording, we go to properties and mic enhancement and turn them off, as you can see, as we're talking, everything can be heard. Like that simple movement that I did right there, it can be heard. And my voice, I can't talk. My voice is like so loud. Like if we do a free test call,
Hello, welcome to Skype Core Testing Service. After the beep,
you're loud.
please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Okay, now it's gonna record what I'm doing right now, and then later it'll stop, and then basically it'll play the audio back. And I do hope that you guys can hear it. I don't think I'm recording desktop audio, but I don't think. I'm gonna turn this on real quick. Okay, now it's gonna record what I'm doing right now, and then later it'll stop, and then basically it'll play the audio back. And Alright, so I ended that, and if you can hear the the background is like so loud with all the crickets and stuff and the air, you can pretty much hear. And I do have a very good microphone, so we're gonna go back, change that system, the sound system, go to recording, microphone properties, my microphone enhancement, turn them all on, beamforming, I don't know what it means, but let's go. Make a pretest call.
For testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Alright, so if we start talking now, basically it'll do the same thing, and this time with noise reduction. So we're gonna see change the effect of how that's gonna. Oh, it ended real quickly. Alright, so if we start talking now, basically it'll do the same thing, and this time with noise reduction. So we're gonna see change the effect.
If you are able to
Yeah, I mean, there's actually not that much of a difference, let's say, but a lot of air or the echo, especially the echo is a big thing, especially with the windows closed, and the aircon is pretty much very loud. Now it's not on, but because of that, it's not too loud, so you guys won't really hear the difference. But a while ago, it was doing a lot to the microphone. But that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified every time I make a new video. Goodbye!